Hello, today we're gonna start with a little example on how to use artificial intelligence on is making easier our daily tasks. This example will consist on generating a script for listing the contents of some directories and subdirectories and storing them in an Excel file in the way we want. So first of all, we have here an artificial intelligence bot. We can ask on the question on how to make a script. The bot will reply to our question and return a way to build the script. In this case, the script return is in Python. Usually it is in Python unless you ask for a different language as Perl or any other, but usually it returns the results in Python. So you can see all the contents of the script here. The only thing you have to do is to review it. It uses the OpenPyXL for the dialog with Excel files, library, and date time and OS to list the contents of the directories. So as it detects we are working in Windows operating system, it will return the code for or to be used in the Windows operating system as you see here in this path. So the only thing you have to do is to return, not to return, to replace the variables with the paths and directories you want to use, and also the name of the files in which you want to store the results and the files you want to pick up in any case to generate the listing. So I have one example already loaded. I open my Ubuntu terminal in Windows. And here you will see the Python example already prepared to run on this system. So as I wanted initially to store all the contents of the directories in the Excel file, I create initial version, this one. But then I realized I only wanted to keep the sound files, the MP3 files on the directory, on the Excel file, sorry. So I created this one only to store the sound files in the Excel file. I can list the contents of the script so you can see. It's very short. It is uses the Python 3 version, the OpenPyExcel library, as said before, to create the Excel file, the workbook, the operating system library to list the contents of the directories, and it's very short. Just is adapted to the system we have. It will uh, walk through the directory, which is a parameter which is given here below. So it will walk the directory and list all the files, and unless the file is a MP3 or FLAC file, it won't be stored in the resulting Excel file. So if I run the script, as it has the shebang on it, it will show the results. So it says that audio files has been saved to this directory and this file. So if I travel to this directory, we will be able to see the Excel file and open it and see the contents. It was the 02. Yeah, list current music 02. And if we open it, we can see the results. So in column A, file name, which can be very long, the extension, MP3 or FLAC, the full path where it is stored, and no more attributes or columns. Thank you for listening to the example. Hope it helps you in your daily tasks.